Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll learn about the most powerful tool that Moodle offers for adaptive learning, that is lesson activity. In this lecture, we'll see how the lesson activity looks when fully functional and how to create lesson activity in Moodle. Lesson activity is very powerful because it enables a teacher to deliver content in a fully adaptive path. I'm now in the page where you can see the lesson activity that is created here. The name of my lesson activity is Searching Techniques. See the icon of the lesson activity, it indicates multiple paths. Before going to create lesson activity, I'll show you the flow of lesson activity I'm going to create. This lesson is a case study of different searching algorithms. This will start from the main page. Here there are two lessons for students to learn, that is binary search and linear search. After each concept is learned, a question will be asked by the system to check if the student has really understood this concept or not. Now, here comes the adaptive path. If the student answers correctly, then they can go automatically to the next lesson. If the student do not answer correctly, they can go back and read the previous lesson once more and answer the questions correctly. Now, let us see how this lesson activity will work. Click on the lesson activity. Here, my lesson activity is Searching Technique. The first lesson is explained here, that is about binary search. And I have a button here that I have created inside this lesson. Click on that to see questions based on this lesson. You are now in the question page. You can also notice that the progress is updating automatically from page to page. You can see the questions displayed here and different options. If I choose a correct answer, I'll be able to go to the next lesson. If I choose the wrong answer, I can't go forward. For now, I'm choosing a wrong answer and submit it. A review page can be seen here, that is your answer is wrong. Click on continue and you are navigated to the previous lesson, that is about binary search. After you read it and you can able to re-attempt the questions to click on questions. And now I am choosing the right option and submit it. And here is the review page and click on continue. You are now in the next lesson, that is linear search. Because I gave the correct answer, I have moved on to the next lesson. And after reading this, I am moving to the question part. My question is time complexity of linear search. I'll choose one answer and submit it and go to the review. This is the right answer. Click on continue and this is the end of the lesson. And here you can see the score and the current grade and the progress of this lesson. In this way, lesson activity will work. Now, let us see how to create lesson activity in Moodle platform. For that, I am selecting the course Design and Analysis of Algorithm. Select Turn Editing On to enable editing option in the activity page. To create a lesson activity, select Add an activity or resource. A pop-up window is opened and select Lesson Activity. You are now in the lesson creation page. The first option is name. You can provide any valid name here. For now, I'm giving searching. And next option is description. If you want to give any description about this particular lesson, you can type that description here. See, there are several sections full of options for us. I'll show you the most important ones among these, and you should try other options that I'm not showing in detail. Moving to appearance section, the first option is progress bar. Here you can choose whether to show the progress bar or not. For now, I'm leaving all the options as it is. Next option is availability. In this option allows you to set the time limit of this particular lesson activity. You can see the first option is available from, that is a start date, and next option is deadline, that is the end date of this particular lesson activity. Here you can see an option time limit. You can set a time limit within which the lesson should be finished once it has been started. Next is password protected lesson. If you want to set a password for this lesson, choose yes and set a password here and share that password to the students. And we will let these options remain as it is. Next option is flow control. I'll keep everything at default. Next is grade section. You can set maximum grade here. I'm setting maximum grade as 30. In the grade pass section, you can set the pass mark. I'm setting 10 as my pass mark. If you allow students to exercise retake option, you can set it as yes. Let us leave the rest of the options as they are. Scroll down and click on Save and Display.